All right, so welcome to another Instructor video. Today we're going to do rapid fire questions. So I'm really excited about this. So, what is your name?
My name is Martin.
What is your favorite movie?
My favorite movie is Utopia.
And what are you doing in college?
I'm majoring in computer engineering.
Awesome. And what's your favorite place on the planet?
My favorite place on the planet would be downtown Houston.
And why?
There's just so much life there. There's a lot of really great food, and there's just so much to do out there, you know?
Awesome. What is a great Scratch project?
My favorite Scratch, when I think of a great Scratch project, I think of one that involves a lot of data types and variables and stuff, and how being able to use those numbers and manipulate them into creating crazy things like I've seen hitboxes created. Those are really great to see. So.
Awesome. Spicy food, yes or no?
Yes, absolutely. Spicy food is amazing. I love curry.
Okay.
So, yeah.
Good. And then how do you feel about cayenne? And
I've never had cayenne personally.
Okay.
But I do, I go to Wingstop a lot and put that atomic sauce on there.
Ooh,
if you know what it is.
Sounds great right now. How do you feel about the color yellow?
Color yellow, it's a weird one, I would say. I would say that I'm more of a mustard yellow kind of a guy, not like a bumblebee car yellow, but yeah, I think it's all right.
Like a little bit more earthy feel to it.
I think so, yeah.
Nice. And then what is one fun fact about you? Fun fact, not a fan.
Fun fact about me, I originally grew up in Chicago.
Okay.
Moved here about 2 years ago.
Nice. Well, welcome to the most humid place on earth.
Thank you.
I hope you enjoy it. You'll be our instructor here in a lot of different areas and during the summer. So, all right, signing off. See you later.
All right, thank you.